This is a recap for Tuesday, September 14th. In class today, we went to Pear Deck and we took notes either on Pear Deck. There is a students have access to this. So if you go to, we're at Classwork Week 1 Basic Fractions Pear Deck. If you click on that, you will get to this. And first thing we did was just learn about what the tools are. So we've got the pencil tool, and you can change colors: green, blue, purple. You can change the size, so big, nice and small. And you can do the same thing with the highlighter. We'll make it bigger, and you can highlight things. You can see through it. Let's change the color. And you can also type. And so we'll just test this out, testing. And you make the size larger right there. You make it smaller like that. And you can change color. So we just, on the first one, we were really just playing around getting the tools down. Next one is where we did some work. And we numbered these like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we talked about putting these in groups. So I'm going to use green, make my size a little bit bigger. And so dividing by 2 is really can be seen as putting into groups of 2. So there's that. So this is like how we turn this first diagram A into diagram B, is by putting it into groups of 2. But we cannot have any left over. Notice how the blue part and the white part all fit perfectly within those new size groups. So this is 2 out of 4 that were shaded. And then we can do that same process. So dividing by 2 right here is really putting it into groups of 2, and same right here. And next and I will show you some screenshots of the results from periods 1, 2, and 3 of what we did when I'm done here. And we got a multiplication table out, and we noticed something, that we can use this for simplifying. If we add the fraction, let's make this a little bit smaller, 8/10, that we could actually just look straight over here and see that that simplifies to 4/5. Or, for example, 27/30. Whoops. 27/30. We can look straight over to here and simplify that to 9/10. Works going this direction as well. 36 40-seconds. We go straight up, we see the 6 seconds, or excuse me, 6/7. So we can use a multiplication table basically as a simplifying tool. And next, we colored in, this is the answer. So if you're looking at this and you're looking at yours, you're going to see the second circle is blank, and this is also. So this is what we filled in, was right here. We filled in, whoops, let me go to my highlighter. Filled in this part right here. So we did this part is blank and we fill it in. So let's undo that a little bit. So there's the answer key in case you wanted to check. And that's as far as we got on the Pear Deck. Tomorrow we're going to watch this video and take some notes. We also took a quiz. So if you happen to miss today, we're going to figure out a way to make up that quiz that we took. We took the first quiz on Plickers. And so here were the different notes from different periods. This is what it looked like. Oh, I'm glad this is a good reminder. We talked about the picture for 3/4. And why is this simplified? Well, because we can't make any groups out of this. So we can't put 2 into 1 and then we'd have 1 left over. Or if we put all 3 in, we don't have another, we only have 1 left over for the unshaded part. So notice how everything gets split evenly when we're simplifying. And we did that 3/4 example for each of the periods. And here's some more examples from class today. This is just using the tools. There's the answer key again. And I think that was it. So we took a quiz. We worked on fractions. We played a game outside. So that's a recap for Tuesday, September 14th.